We are eating nothing but pad thai for the next 24 hours. 3 full meals on a strict $10 budget. Have we actually spent it all? Let's find out! First stop, pad thai udon. Look at this menu. They offer so many variations and it's super wallet friendly. If I don't order smart, I definitely going home with change. So I went with the classic shrimp pad thai. The secrets are in the chef's skill, tossed fresh over a screaming hot wok. Oh wow, this portion is way bigger than I expected. It comes with the side veggies, chives, and raw bean sprouts, and the absolutely MVP, a fresh lamb wedge, freshly squeezed only. Flick out the seeds, squeeze it in, and give it a good mix. I am obsessed with that bright citrusy kick. Aside from the sour note, you can customize the other flavors too. Every table comes equipped with the classic condiment caddy like this. But for me, just a squeeze of fresh lamb is all it takes. Absolutely delicious. Paired with the fresh chives and bean sprouts, it's a perfect match. They use thin rice noodles. The sweet and savory balance is spot on with the wok hay aroma. Plus, you get tons of flavor from all the mix-ins. But here's the kicker. It looks like the shape at a fried shallots and crispy pork lard too. Let me show you how locals season it. Most people throw in some sugar and fish sauce. Mix it all together and boom, your own castle place of happiness. This meal comes out just $2.34, leaving us with a whopping $7.66. Wait, that's a lot of cash. I've been hunting for a place that charges a bit more. But even the fancier, Stir-Fried Noodles charge around $2.81. Then I stumbled upon this gem. Let's head into Pad Thai Bua Dang. They are actually Michelin Guide recommended. Proud of my food scouting skills. We are ordering their signature dish and upgrading it with scallops. We are also getting it egg wrapped and to switch things up, swapping the thin noodles for grass noodles. I thought I wouldn't hate the budget, but without extra toppings, I am definitely spending the bag this time. Love to see it. It's here. I low-key expected a smaller portion, but this thing is absolutely massive. Say hello to the fried shrimp, grilled pork, and scallop pad thai wrapped in an egg. That's a bit too long. You can immediately smell that intense, smoky texture on the glass noodles. The noodles are thinner and veggier than the standard rice ones. Paired with the silky, soft egg wrap, delicious. They don't actually toss the pork lard into the stir-fry. Pieces are huge, super fresh, with zero stir or taste, and it pairs perfectly. You already know my routine, adding plenty of fresh lamb juice. Mix it all up, take a bite, heaven. Grilled pork with pad thai, let's try. That actually works so well. It's incredibly tender and smoky. Not that artificial bouncy texture, but real deal juicy grilled pork. Scallops with pad thai is definitely a first for me. My cameraman teased me saying they look like Vietnamese pork sausage. And wait, they low-key do. How is that even possible? But the meat is dense, bouncy, and super fresh. Look at these jumbo sea shrimps. The veins, so they are the breeze to peel. The meat is incredibly snappy and huge, fresh, firm, and plump. Combined with the noodles, it's a match made in heaven. I squeezed the red shrimp hay juice right over the top, absolutely delicious. The whole shrimp is just massive. You get the same classic condiment set here. And obviously, pad thai needs a heaven dust of crushed peanuts. In my opinion, the sauce isn't overly intense, but the wok flavor really cuts through. The main highlight is the ingredient quality. Everything is great and fresh. Great trim, solid pork, perfect lard, and fresh scallops. Massive plate, totally worth the price tag. Though, if I'm being critical, the elements feel a bit separate rather than unified. But eating them side by side unlocks a completely new flavor profile. It's pad thai in another dimension. Damage for this raw shrimp and grilled pork pad thai for $3.75. Scallop add-on for $1.25. Egg wrap for 47 cents. Bringing the meal total to $5.47. Which means we still have $2.19 left in the bank. We are totally chilling. See you guys at the next stop. For our final round, we are going full on street food style. Shade it up, a classic pad thai style that doubles down on crispy oyster omelets. This is actually one of my regular late night spots, my absolute lifesaver when the midnight craving hits. I'm going with my usual, the fresh shrimp pad thai with standard thin noodles. They are stir-frying a massive batch all at once. Then, it's ready to serve. Look at this portion! It's crazy huge. Not a single place serves a small portion. I'm honestly shocked. It comes with its exact same side greens. And of course, the classic seasoning caddy. Obviously, I gotta load it up with crushed peanuts. Season it with a bit of sugar and fish sauce. Then, give it a good toss. And hey, this shrimp is actually the pretty decent size. Is it not tangy enough? I will just squeeze in more lard and devour the whole thing right here without even mixing it. Another signature perk of this chop, you can ask for extra dry shrimp. And my cameraman is absolutely upset with this. He loves it with tons of peanuts too. We start eating right around sunset and now it's pitch black outside. The best part is only $2.03, but since it's a street food stall, you can actually customize your price point. I asked them to bump mine up to exactly $2.19 to match all my remaining budget. And just like that, I spent the budget down to the exact absolutely penny. $0 left. That's so cool. Honestly, I could pull this off. I'm shocked too. Pad Thai is already very famous, but if you haven't tried it yet, this is your side. It's must try. And the craziest part, you can actually find Pad Thai for under $1. I actually tried it in this video right here. Go check it out.